Okay, let's go.
Guys, good evening. Good evening po. Ito po yung massage electric. Ito yung Key Professional Therapy. Nabili ko dyan sa Pasay Mall. Mahal to. Nandito yung kuha niya, guys. Nandito yung parts of the Key Professional Therapy product specification, product specification with 1.2 kilos 2064 lbs, dimension H130 by W120 by L for 50 millimeters, yung dimension, yung specification niya. Volt to 30 volts hanggang to 40 volts, Ito po. Power niya 30 watts, Frequency 50 by 60 amperes, Pulses 1,000 to 5,000, yung pulses niya. Yung motor niya, direct current niya. Tapos yung may kuwan siya dito, ito. Ayan. Yung kulay niya infrared, May infrared siya, attachment tool. On or off, ito po. Speed controller, Ito po yung speed controller. Ito po. Tapos exhaust, mayroon exhaust po dito. Body, ito yung body niya, attached to, silicone handle. Yan. Ito, silicone handle niya, silicone handle. Tapos yan infrared drives. Ayan po yung specification niya. Tapos yung safety niya, dapat may alam sa safety, important instruction, yung caution. Do not use the machine more than 30 minutes at a time. When the machine is operated over 30 minutes, it will stop automatically. It is not meant out of order. Switch has to be off and 15 minutes later can be operated. Do not use machine without attachment. If the supply is damaged, it must be replaced by the manufacturer or its service agent or similarly qualified person in order to avoid hazard. May safety rin siya, safety and security, yung caution. Young children should be supervised to ensure that they do not play with the appliance. Okay? Ang caution niya, ito naman danger, Before using the appliance, precautions should be followed, including the following, Always unplug the machine from electrical outlet immediately after using and before cleaning. Yun. Tapos may con siya. Do not move or store the machine where it can fall or default into a tub or sink. Siyempre bawal to sa tubig, Tapos unplug immediately. Do not use while bathing or in shower. Siyempre magkakaroon siya ng electric shock. At saka baka makuryente ka, no? Yan. Ito po, 5 minutes na kasi. Bukas naman po yung iba. Ito po, bukas naman po yung iba.